सर्टिफिकेटां मेळूंक ना. स्टुडंट एथलीट्स म्हणटा तांकां पार्टिसिपेशन मार्क्स मेळटा ते मेळूंक ना. कॉलेज कोचींनी गुगल मॅप लोकेशन दिवचें पडटालें टू शो दॅट दे वर कोचिंग द एथलीट्स. स्पीकर सर, हें सगळें जर पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार द सिच्युएशन इज ट्रबलिंग. हें गोंयांत जेन्ना आमी ऑर्गनायज करता नॅशनल गेम्स आनी हें जर सिच्युएशन गोंयांत आसा जाल्यार आमी भायर वचून आनी खंय जालें जाल्यार कितें जातलें पोजिशन आनी कितें आमचें एथलीट्साचें जातलें. स्पीकर सर, ताणें जेन्ना ऑर्गनायज केल्यो नॅशनल गेम तेन्ना हांवें ताका एक उतरान खंय नॉन कोऑपरेशन करूंक ना. तुवें सांगलां तें आमी आयल्या द ओपोजिशन बेंचीज ऑल्सो हॅव सपोर्टेड यू. नाव युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन इज ओवर. इट वॉज डन इन 23. यू हॅव टू कंप्लीट युअर अकाउंट्स. सगळें कंप्लीट करून जावंक जाय. चवथ मेरेन कित्याक रावप तांणी म्हाका समजना. स्पीकर सर, जे कोण प्रायज मनी घेवंक जाय एथलीट्स तांणी चवथी मेरेन रावप. पूण कित्या खातीर 2023 जिखल्या मरे तेन्ना पयशे दिवंक जाय. चवथ मेरेन रावप कित्याक तांणी? स्पीकर सर, चवथ कित्याक? असेंब्ली सोंपा म्हणसर कित्या खातीर चवथ मेरेन रावप? हांव रेज कित्याक करता आतां हांगा तांचे? हांव म्हजी चली जिखूंक ना न्हय, म्हजो कोण सोयरो जिखूंक ना. हांव इतल्या खातीर काडटा की तुमी इमिजिएट रिप्लाय दिवंक जाय आनी आज पयशे दिया तांचे. चवथ मेरेन कित्याक रावपाचें? गणपती येतलो आनी मागीर पयशे दितले.
3,380 volunteers were engaged during the games time. These volunteers were categorized as general volunteers and the sport-specific volunteers and were placed in different functional areas. Further, this office had undertaken the scrutiny and during the verification certain discrepancies were noticed such as mismatch of the volunteers' bank account amended, relatives' bank account submitted, bank details unavailable, no bank account of the volunteers. The processing of the payment of honorarium to the sum of the volunteers was kept on hold for want of further clarity in their bank account mandate. The payment of the honorarium to the most of the volunteer has been disbursed through the electronic clearing service. Mode of the payment into the bank account of the concerned volunteers. It is to note here that upon disbursement of the payment through ECS, there were certain technical errors encountered such as difference in the IFSC code, difficulty in identifying the difference between number 0 and alphabet letter O. In some cases, money did not got credited nor reverted into the office bank account. As far as prize money is concerned, since there was a delay in receiving doping test reports from the NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, on adverse analytical findings of the athletes who have won the medals at 37th National Games, prize money has not been disbursed as of now to the medal winners. However, as per the assurance given by me in the assembly, prize money will be disbursed to the medal winners before Ganesh Chaturthi 2024. The medal winners who have won gold, silver, bronze will be awarded a cash of rupees 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh respectively. Along with the coaches of respective coaches, incentives will be given 30,000, rupees 20,000 and rupees 10,000 for gold, silver and bronze accordingly.